Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO IdeaPad 5, and in this video I will show you how to add another user's account on this laptop. To do it, first open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then select Accounts section, scroll down and select Other Users, then select Add Account, and then if you want to add a new account using this person's Microsoft account, then proceed by entering their email, then log into their Microsoft account, create a password or PIN codes for them, and this way you will add an account easily. But if you want to create an account locally, then you have to press this button right here and then select Add a user without a Microsoft account. You have to create a username for them. Well, in my case, I'll create the one like this. Then create a password, confirm it, and then in case you forget the password, create a couple of security questions, and you can also write down the answers to them. So that you can recover the access to their account easily. And once you're done, select Next, and this way the account is created. And right now, in order to switch to that account, we have to open the Start menu, click right here, click on the three-dot icon in the upper right corner of this window, and then select Switch User. And this way we can switch to this user once we enter the password. We'll end up in their Windows account. Okay, let's wait a little while. Okay, and to remove their account, we'll first have to log out of their account. To do that, you have to open the same menu of user menu in their account, tap on the three-dot icon, select Sign Out, and afterwards we'll be able to remove their account by logging into our account and then selecting their account right here and selecting Remove and confirming. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.